Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lunisali University of Leadership in Algeria. Today we are going to present our 12th lecture titled What is Cyber Security? So I have divided my 12th lecture into the following elements as follows. What is cybersecurity? What are cybersecurity risks and vulnerabilities? Language activities including built-in vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. And finally, your assessment including quizzes, tests, and exams. So what is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the protection of cyberspace and related technologies from records and electronic data to the physical structures and security systems. Cybersecurity risks and vulnerabilities. The three goals of cybersecurity are to maintain system confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Language activities, the word security as a noun, but as an accountable noun means protection. The activities involved in protecting a country, building, or person or companies against attack, danger, etc. National security, the defense of a country, for example. Cyber attacks take many forms. The CIO is usually responsible for protecting access to a company's information technology IT network. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.